I just hate a beard. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a very soft natural look because the last time
that wasn't so natural.
when I'm doing something soft and natural, I just want a nice kind of skin base. So I'm just gonna put on a little moisturizer. I'm using Dramatically Different moisturizing gel.
Mine's for oily skin.
Now today I'm not going to use primer, so I'm going to go in and just start concealing all of the spots that I feel like need the most coverage.
So the entirety of my face now.
Concealer I'm using is the NARS and Amande. I love NARS concealer. It's like just one of my favorites. For my under eye concealer, I'm going to use a mixture of Amande and a Sugar Dior, which is like medium dark 1.5. So I'm going to use a mixture of these two.
So I'm going to go in with this one first. Just right there under the eye. And then I'm going to put the Sugar Dior on top of that. Just for a little brightness. Just to add a little brightness. I'm going to go down the nose with it. I'm going to go on the forehead, on the chin, and my smile lines. Please go away, smile lines. And that's all.
And I'm also, like last time I did the same thing where I just kind of did concealer first. I just think it looks more natural when you lay a light layer of foundation on top of your concealer.
For foundation today,
Okay, this is the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric that I'm going to be using. And I'm using it in shade 12. That on this dish. You see it? I put it on. It's not really a dish. It's an old picture frame. I'm going to spray on top of that foundation some Urban Decay All Nighter. For places that I want to make sure the coverage is still there, I'm just going to lay some of it on top with the brush.
I'm going to go down my neck. Now I'm going to
Take my Beauty Blender, dab it in the foundation, and then just start blending it out onto everything else. For contour today, I'm just going to stick with my trend of using the NARS, and I'm going to use the NARS Dark Coffee to contour just a little bit.
It's good! It's good! It's good!
And I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray before I blend out my contour.
so long. And I'm going to just start blending it out. And the key to this is that you just really want a nice, healthy looking skin.
I just hate a beard. On me, not on everybody, but on me. It's just not my thing. It makes me uncomfortable. The powder. And I'm just gonna kind of set it lightly because I do kind of want to have like a more dewy appearance, but I know I need to set under my eyes. But before I set under my eyes, I'm gonna go in, make sure there's no creasing.
Make sure everything's good and set.
On the T-zone, that's where I get oily. I'm going to dust away any of that extra powder that wasn't necessary. Okay, so now we have a base. Now I'm gonna do I do my eyebrows after foundation for this. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Brown Pomade. And I am going to just kind of do hair-like strokes throughout my eyebrow. I'm going to stick with the thick, bushy eyebrow look now. Now for the next step, I'm going to take a little bit of liquid highlighter, and I use Becca and Opal. I'm going to start applying that to the high points of my face. So now that I've done that, I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend it all out.
I just love a little bit of glow. I mean, I just can't.
I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer, a MAC powder. It is an NW58. It's just a MAC Studio Fix foundation powder. I'm gonna rub some of that on the back of my hand because I don't want like a lot of coverage. And I'm just gonna start working my way from the ear all the way down my forehead, on my jawline, under my lip, up under my nose. I'm gonna take a little bit and just contour my nose a little bit. So I'm just contouring my nose just a tad. Now I'm going to take the same NW58 color and I'm just gonna run this in my eye. I haven't decided if I want to do faux freckles. So to do my faux freckles, I'm gonna take this brush, just stick it in my eyebrow pomade, Anastasia Beverly Hills in dark brown, and I kind of just stamp it
In places that I want my faux freckles to be.
to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and I'm going to take this kind of like the pink color. I'm just gonna apply that to the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna top my blush with Charlotte Tilbury's blush in Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop Blusher. The name of the color is the Climax. And just kind of lightly go on top. It's got a lot of shimmer in it.
To give me that glow within.
Now, I'm gonna take a small bit of highlighter, medium to tan contour, Sculpt and Contour Kit. And I'm using the gold color, and I'm just gonna put it right there in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm gonna put a little on the tip of my nose. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of lip liner from Urban Decay and Nighthawk.
I'm just gonna go over the line of my lips.
I'm going to do a little bit of setting spray. I'm using the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And for my finishing touches with my lips with a YSL lip gloss in Peach and Sparkly. I'm going to blend a little bit of the blush out.
Blush is the first to fade
So
out.
that's the finished look, and I'm gonna go. Okay, so this is the final look. As you can see, it's kind of really soft blend of like your skin, but
And better.
I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment like some of your makeup tips. You know, I love to learn new things. So this is my second makeup video. I'm about to film another video, which is a story time about when I may have accidentally run over my best friend. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. See you in the next video.